Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make books with AI. First, define your book's genre and who you want to read it. Next, select an AI writing tool that aligns with your project's scope and budget. There are many options available, some offering free trials. Finally, create a detailed outline for your book, breaking it down into chapters and key sections. This foundational work is crucial for a smooth writing process. Once your outline is ready, leverage your chosen AI tool to generate initial content. Start by feeding the AI specific prompts for each chapter or section. Be precise with your instructions to ensure the output aligns with your vision. Remember, the AI is a powerful assistant, capable of producing thousands of words quickly. However, always review the generated text carefully for coherence and factual correctness. After the AI has generated your drafts, the crucial human touch comes into play. Thoroughly edit the content for flow, consistency, and tone. It is essential to fact-check any information provided by the AI, as it can sometimes produce inaccuracies. Infuse your unique voice and creativity to elevate the narrative. This step ensures your book feels authentic and truly reflects your vision, making it engaging for readers. With your manuscript polished, it is time for formatting and publishing. Prepare your book for both ebook and print formats, paying attention to margins, fonts, and chapter breaks. Next, create an eye-catching book cover that accurately represents your story. Finally, select a publishing platform, such as Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing or Ingram Spark, to distribute your book to a global audience. Congratulations, you have created a book with AI.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.